Like, we can debate AI, but we can't really question the system it exists in. And here's the thing, AI itself is not the enemy. The enemy is being left behind while others learn how to use it. It won't be AI that takes our jobs, it will be people who know how to use AI. Just like the internet in the early 2000s, the people who embraced it found ways to make money and gain freedom, while those who ignored it became dependent on a system that they didn't understand. Think about older people today who struggle to order things online because they never learned how. One misstep back then turned into a lifetime of struggle now. And I think we all need to stop fearing AI and start learning how to use it. We should be using AI to escape the system, not letting it be used to trap us in it. Automation, freelancing, online businesses, these are ways people are already using AI to break free. The choice is simple: adapt and take control, or get left behind and be controlled. If you enjoyed the content I create and want to help me keep going, consider supporting me on Patreon. Your membership would make a huge difference, and you'll get access to behind-the-scenes content and some extra content like tutorials and courses along the way. Oh, and your name will be in the end credits of my videos. As always, thank you for listening. Do me a favor and tap that like button to show your support. Subscribe if you're interested in more content like this. Until next time, stay hungry, relentless, and strong in your journey of escaping wage slavery. Bye. Oh, you're still here. Oh, that's right. It's the behind-the-scenes vlog. So this segment of the video is where I share more personal things. It's mostly for my subscribers, but if you're new here, you're more than welcome to stick around. So I know I push on AI a lot to use it to your advantage, but I had this gut feeling about it, and my gut feeling is usually pretty good about these sort of things. You see, I know that people who get into AI now will come out as winners. I remember friends who got into IT when the internet came out. Yes, I lived through those days. They made a fortune on it, and AI is the next big thing. And I know people who use ChatGPT as like their personal therapist. I know people who use it for cooking, for exercise coaching themselves. Personally, I use AI for pretty much all aspects of my movie making. You know, I use ChatGPT to help me with my scripts, with the thumbnails, and I'm still consider myself to be a person calling the shots. I tell ChatGPT what I want, so it's not like I'm cheating. Forget that nonsense because it's not true. Use AI for what it is. It's a tool, nothing else. It's probably the best tool we will ever have in our lifetime. I can honestly say that I wouldn't have been able to start my business or reaching the success of my channel without AI. I see AI as this indispensable member of my small team. The team is just me and ChatGPT, but it's a powerhouse. I have the willpower, and ChatGPT has the ideas and works hard on making my dreams come true.